In this video, we listed the 5 best laser engravers on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TwoTrees TTS 55 Pro Laser Engraver. The TwoTrees TTS 55 Pro Laser Engraver is a high-precision, versatile machine designed for engraving and cutting various materials such as wood, leather, acrylic, ceramics, and stainless steel. It features advanced 5.5W laser beam shaping technology with an ultrafine 0.08 mm focus, enabling precise cuts and engravings up to 8 mm thick for wood and 5 mm for acrylic. The machine offers easy assembly with a 60% pre-assembled aluminum profile structure and includes a fast focus design using a fixed focus lens and adjustable knob. It supports multiple engraving modes and file formats: JPG, PNG, DXF, SVG, G-code, etc., and is compatible with Windows and Mac systems via USB, Wi-Fi, or offline control. With a 300 by 300 mm engraving area, a powerful LTS ESP32 motherboard, and safety features like a laser filter cover, it ensures efficiency and user protection. The TTS 55 Pro also supports various engraving software such as LaserGRBL and Lightburn and offers multilingual software support. While the laser output is rated at 5.5W or 10W, the machine's effective power is comparable to 40W, 80W CO2 lasers. It can engrave coated metals and glasses with specific preparation. An optional air assist enhances cutting performance. Number 2. SCULPFUN S9 Engraver. The SCULPFUN S9 is a high-precision diode laser engraving and cutting machine designed for versatility and ease of use. Featuring the latest 5.5W laser beam shaping technology, it delivers an ultrafine 0.06 mm laser focus for precise engraving and cutting, capable of handling materials like wood, acrylic, ceramics, stainless steel, and more. The machine has a large engraving area of 410 by 420 mm and offers fast focusing with a fixed focus lens and sliding design. Its robust all-metal structure ensures stability and durability, while assembly can be completed in just 10 to 20 minutes. Compatible with popular engraving software such as LaserGRBL and Lightburn, it supports various file formats like JPG, PNG, DXF, SVG, and G-code. Safety features include a laser filter cover that blocks 98% of UV light and an A4 steel pad to protect work surfaces. The package includes essential tools, goggles, wood chips for testing, and a steel desktop protection pad. Its lightweight design, 3.0 kilograms, and wide compatibility with Windows and Apple systems make it suitable for both beginners and professionals in laser engraving and cutting projects. Number 3. AlgoLaser DIY Kit Laser Engraver. The AlgoLaser DIY Kit 10W is a high-performance mini laser engraver designed for both personal and commercial use, offering precision, versatility, and ease of use. With a 400 by 400 mm engraving area, it features a powerful 10W laser module with an ultrafine focal spot of 0.08 by 0.14 mm, enabling refined engraving and cutting on over 100 materials, including wood, leather, metal, glass, and more. The machine boasts a maximum engraving speed of 12,000 mm per minute and a movement speed of 20,000 mm per minute. It is compatible with popular software like LaserGRBL and Lightburn and supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The device includes 7 safety protections, a modular design for easy assembly and maintenance, and an eye-protective panoramic filter glass cover. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB cable, and TF card, with offline engraving supported. AlgoLaser emphasizes user-friendly setup, smart operation, and robust customer support to help users achieve professional-grade results efficiently. Number 4. Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver. The longer Ray 520W laser engraver is a high-performance cutting and engraving machine designed for precision and versatility, ideal for professional use, workshops, or factories. It features a powerful 22-24W optical output laser with diacer technology, capable of cutting through up to 25mm wood, 35mm acrylic, with multiple passes, and 0.05mm stainless steel. Its ultrafine 0.08 x 0.1mm squared laser spot ensures high accuracy, producing thinner lines and detailed artwork. The machine supports a wide range of materials, including basswood, leather, ceramics, glass, stone, and metal, and offers multicolor engraving through instant metal oxidation. Equipped with advanced safety features like move, thermal, offline, motionless, eye protection and X, Y-axis limit switches, the Ray 5 prioritizes user safety. It includes a replaceable laser lens with a dust-proof hood for durability, a 3.5-inch touch screen for standalone operation, and multiple data transfer options such as Wi-Fi, USB, APP, and TF cards. The engraver is compatible with LaserGRBL and Lightburn software and supports various file formats. With a 375 by 375 mm working area, adjustable focus plate, and a powerful 32-bit ESP32 chipset running at 240 MHz, the Ray 5 delivers enhanced performance, speed, and productivity for engraving and cutting tasks. Number 5. LaserPecker L1 Pro Laser Engraver. The LaserPecker L1 Pro is a compact, portable, and versatile handheld laser engraver designed for beginners, professionals, and hobbyists alike. With a 10W laser power and a 450 by 450 mm engraving area, it supports engraving on various materials such as wood, paper, leather, felt, plastic, and more, while excluding metals, glass, and reflective surfaces. It features an autofocusing support stand with built-in sensors for optimal precision and a preview mode that allows users to adjust the size, position, and rotation of patterns before engraving. Controlled via the LaserPecker app, compatible with iOS and Android, it supports file formats like JPG, BMP, PNG, and G-code. Lightweight at just 190 g, it's powered through a Type-C port and can connect to household electricity or a power bank. The LaserPecker L1 Pro is ideal for creating artistic patterns, laser cutting cardboard, and even engraving on food or fruits, making it a perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts, artists, and small businesses.